Hi friends, Erica here. It's been a while since I've played along with Scraplift Sunday, so I wanted to crank a page out before it got too late since I'm already a couple of days late on that. If you're not familiar with Scraplift Sunday, it is hosted by Paper Issues, one of my favorite companies, and they have an Instagram and a Facebook as well, but between the two, I would definitely recommend joining the Facebook group because they have lots of monthly challenges to really inspire you and scrap more. Now on to the page. Today's page that I'm scraplifting is by Tamimi. I'll be sure to link her below if you'd like to check her out. Most of the paper and supplies I'm using today are from Pebbles' Live Life Happy collection, which I'm currently obsessed with. Her design is pretty simple. It basically comprises of some torn strips of paper towards the top portion of the page with some elements sort of cascading from the top left to the bottom right. So I'm gonna try to do my best to follow along that design, but then also put my individual spin on it. Today I'm scrapping a couple photos of myself, a couple of selfies taken in the backyard with some Snapchat filters because we all know during this quarantine year we be looking haggard sometimes, so Snapchat filters definitely help lift us out of any haggardom we might be experiencing. And as per usual, I am fussy blading some text out of this 3x4 pocket card. I'm definitely going to work that into my page. And I think I'm also going to go ahead and fussy blade some of these circles out to repeat some of the colors and then also add in some of the black because I matted my photos with some black cardstock as well. And I don't want it to be the only presence that black has on my page. This circle paper as well as the lined paper on the bottom half of my page are from some random rainbow stack that my friend Bev gave to me last year, and I'm so indebted to her because she definitely hooked it up. I'll go ahead and include it in the info box below in case you're curious where it came from. I'll look it up. So from here I'm just playing around with the phrases, trying to see what I like, and I think it would be great if the be you phrase landed in that large purple circle, so I'm going to try to aim for that here. And I am backing my phrases with foam adhesive tape as per usual, and thankfully it looks pretty good, so I think that's where they're going to land. Now on Anne's page in her design, the bottom half of her layout was just filled with black paint splatter, so I think I'm going to do something similar using these honeybee stamps rainbow crystal gems. And I'm trying to use as similar colors as possible to coordinate with the phrases that are cascading down. Now, it's looking sparkly, but the right hand side is looking a little bit lonely, so I'm going to fill that in with mostly the Live Life Happy ephemera. There are a couple pieces from Park Lane, which is a brand I normally find in the Joann $2.50 bin, so if you've never checked that out, definitely go ahead and take a look. Sometimes I find really cool stuff in there to use. Now all that's left to do is add the date and some journaling because, as the lovely ladies at the Secret and Not Secret Kit Club retreat group say, it doesn't count unless you journal. So that's pretty much it. A quick page that hopefully brings to you some inspiration today, and definitely want to thank you for stopping by and hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye!